Okay, so in last video we discussed about the main thing, that is the goal setting and how it should be attached to your emotional reasons or your burning desires, and the importance of consistency and etc. That is the main differentiating factor between the people who get success online and who stay at the same effort, that is the same spot, and they keep giving effort day in and day out. That is, if you have been working day in and day out, that is, if you are tiring and if you have tried many things, you are not getting success, then just sit down and think, have you really set a goal? And if you have set goal, then just think, is it strong enough, is it emotional, so that it is no more just a wish, it's not a choice, it's a compulsion, that is you have to do it. There is the strong reason for which you cannot quit. And if you have quit the system, if you that is what I want to say is that if you have purchased the system and for some X reasons, Y reasons you have quit the system, then the main reason is not the product or the service, it is because your goal or the reason for which you were doing it was weak, and that is the reason you quit. So let's start. You need to have an action planner, that is, it's not your mistake, just follow this system and you can do it right, and this will be the starting point, turning point for the rest of your life, that is your financial journey. Yes, it can be your financial journey or it can be a major part of your finances, that is I wanted to say, for your online journey starting from today. So this is your daily success routine, that is in the morning I had told you what to do, that is you should reinforce your purpose for which you are doing this particular thing, this particular method. And just I've written your 10 minutes, just 1 to 2 minutes is also sufficient. As I've mentioned, you should write down it clearly, you should write down already having achieved that particular thing. That is recommended reading for this is the classical, that is the most read and one of the oldest book, Think and Grow Rich. Just go through the first 2 chapters at least, so that you can know the 6 steps to program your mind, that is subconscious mind, and how to use the power of auto suggestion etc. for your success. That is the 6 steps that turns desires into gold. Just follow this, get the book, and you can easily get it online. The PDF is available free for anywhere, so just get it and just finish the first 2 chapters, eat it, drink it, grind it, do whatever you can, and just get the material, the knowledge into your mind and start implementing it, and you will see the results instantly. I mean instantly means instantly, it is going to happen. Just follow the 6 steps and the system and you are going to get results within a few days. This system is so powerful. Okay, next is the work block, that is revenue generating activities. Most people do a major mistake here. They sit in front of laptop, computer or mobile and they say they are working, but the question is it result oriented? Are you doing action oriented? Or are you beautifying the system? That is, you are focusing majority of your time on building the system, building the website or the app or your system or your website etc. You are designing the post etc. and creating the images. That is, if your 80% of the task is focused on building and designing, then you are not going to get the results, because 80% of the time it should be focused on contacting people, because the more number of people you reach with your system is going to bring the results. That is, initial amount of time you should focus on uh, designing the system, but once the system is ready, every morning if you sit down, I mean, if you are interested in tweaking the headline, the sub headline etc., then this is not going to bring any results. So just focus on action oriented, that is the task which will help you to reach more and more people, sending more emails, sending more messages. Okay, so sorry for the disturbance. So what I wanted to say is that your 80% of the time it should be focused on reaching out to more people instead of designing the system or tweaking the system to make it better. So just keep an eye on that, and if you have say if you have bought internet marketing products, the products which will help you would have helped you to make more money, then see and analyze what are the activities that you did because of which you did not make money with those. Did you focus on more on reaching more people, or did you focus on making or designing the system? More amount of time where you spent, and you will get your answer. Because whatever the money you are going to earn, it's with some people, and you have to reach those people so that they pay the amount to you. So the one question you can ask to yourself is that who has the money which you are going to get, and in that way you can find your target audience and you can start earning more. That is, who has the money which you deserve and what service you are going to provide to them. We will discuss this, we'll cover this in the next training onwards. That is a practical thing, what service you are going to provide, and we'll build that using AI quickly. And we have totally changed the system so that your conversion rate will be much higher and it will be much better than the traditional methods. And the next is the midday, and here you have to track and celebrate your progress. That is, when you start sending emails, you start contacting, what will happen is that people will see the response. People will see the email that you have already built something for them. They will see their name, their logo, and etc. in that particular screenshots which you send to them, and they will be more inclined to buy. They will ask you questions, so you will start getting replies, and that is the tracking part. You will see some notifications in your mail messages, etc., and that is a sort of celebration for you, because that is the starting point of success. That is the not starting point, but indications, indications that you are going to get results. So you need to celebrate that, and you need to have a positive mindset starting from the sending of email, or starting from today. You have to have a positive mindset for your entire journey. Then the number 4 is evening. Here whoever is asked for the payment link, etc., we will cover that. You can send it to them and you can start working on, start making the websites which will show you how to do it quickly using AI, and start delivering to them so that you can start getting the payments. And next is before sleeping, have gratitude and visualize at least for 3 minutes. That is, express gratitude for the progress made and visualize tomorrow's success. That is, whatever you did today, whatever success you got, even if it is sending emails with the messages, with the format that we will give you, how to do the how to take the screenshots and send emails, how to contact, will show you. That is, even if you have just sent emails and you have not got any replies, then also have gratitude, because you have done the right thing, and the results in not in your control. It will be arranged by the universe, which you are definitely going to get because of your mindset and the action which you are taking. Very few people take action, and if you are taking action in the right step, we are going to get results. So these are the 5 steps you need to follow starting from today. And this is that is the last video. And this video, these are very important, and if you have not, and it is, if you are not getting results, it is simply because you are not following the process, which is not taught in any of the courses. They just tell you the method without the right mindset, etc. And these are generally taught in the higher ticket programs, which most of you do not take, because you are stuck in the low ticket. You think that say if whenever I start making money, I will start purchasing the higher end products, etc., but that doesn't happen. You need to have the mindset, and when you have the mindset, you will automatically start arranging the money, finding the right training, the right training, the right mindset, right people, right mentor, right tutor. They will automatically be arranged for you when you develop the right mindset and you start getting success, and you will start getting success with this. So what I need to say finally in this video is that whether you quit or you commit, that is your choice, but you have to analyze that the price of quitting, that is another year will pass definitely, even if you do not take any action, and that will be a wasted opportunity. That is the same financial stress or financial stress, the same regret about what could have been done if you do not take any action now, that is if you do not start taking action on the course which you have just purchased, and as this particular, that is today's and tomorrow, there is first two videos, it will be shared in the group. That is, even if you have not purchased, you will see this video. You might be seeing this right now, and I am really talking to you. If you have not purchased this course, that is the next few sentences which I will say is just for you. That is, even if you do not take any action right now, another year will pass and all these are going to happen. That is a financial stress, office stress, job stress, etc. That will remain. The same regret, that is, if you could have, that is, the opportunity was there, you could have taken action and you could have got results, but you did not take because uh, because of the past thing. That is not your fault, because of the past thing that has happened. That is, you bought products with the promises that they are going to deliver, they are going to uh, you are going to, I mean, you purchase the course and you are going to implement, and you will start making results, or that is, you will start earning. But that did not happen, because the main thing that you will see, that is a financial aspect being tied to the goal, your burning desire, that was not there. You did not set goal, and that is the main reason you did not get results. But here we have covered everything. That is, we will develop your mindset and we will develop your plan, and then we will plan, I mean, we will connect the plan to the action, and we will show you what to do exactly, so that you start getting results. So if you have not subscribed, then this is the right time, and you can subscribe by clicking the link below, and you will get the reward of consistency, because that is what we are going to follow. That is financial freedom, time with loved ones, proof that you can achieve anything, not anything which you can believe, because what you are going to get is will be based or will be limited by your belief. That is, if you increase your limit, if you increase your belief, then you are going to achieve more, and if you uh, try to shrink it, then you are going to achieve less. So that will be what you are going to achieve will be limited by your belief. And a business that serves you, not enslaves you, because once you build it, once you start doing it, it will become your second nature and you will start earning. Your goal must be stronger than your excuses, and this will help you move forward. Your burning desire must outlast your doubts. Doubts will always be there, but your burning desire will take you ahead. So commit to consistency, embrace speed, and refuse to quit. That is, if you want to get results, you have to do it. And success is not a possibility, it's inevitable. That is, if you start doing the process which we covered right now, you are going to get success definitely, because this is proven, and you are not quitting, and you are taking the actions in the right steps. That is, you are following the right path with the right mindset and with the right action, so you are going to get the right results. So that's all for this video. If you have subscribed, then you will get the next videos in your personal WhatsApp. Just take action and you will see the results. And you have not subscribed, then this is the opportunity right now. We will close the registration in October 30th. That is 31st October will close the registration, and from November it will not be available. So just contact me right now today, and today is going to be the last day for registration, and just register, and we will make November and December profitable, so that you have a great new year. Okay, so this is my way of saying happy new year, and I'm planning it 2 months before. So just do it. Okay, so that's all for this video, and bye for now.